Hey, this is Aaron from the American Scout channel. Today I'm going to show you the third item in my EDC Everyday Carry Toolkit. The third item is a set of crescent wrenches. The reason why you want two is that if you are taking apart a bolt, usually you have the bolt and the nut to take apart, and it's a lot easier to use crescent wrenches in an emergency situation than it is to be able to carry around a bunch of sockets and a ratchet. So that's why I keep two in my kit. I keep a little small one and a big one. It would be wiser to keep a bigger one, at limited space and weight is an issue, so I would just go with the small basics for starters. So that is my third item in my EDC toolkit. Thanks.